Hey everyone, Mr. King here to run you through today's PE remote learning session. Your next activity for today is an activity I like to call H.O.R.S.E. H-O-R-S-E. An activity a lot of you probably already know. Before we can start, we will need to find some equipment from around your house. The equipment you will need to find are, you will need to find one chair. You will need to find one laundry basket. You will need to find 9 objects from around your house to use as markers. So today, I've got some of my shoes. You will need to find one ball. So a tennis ball, a stress ball. A ball of socks is an awesome idea for this activity. And last but certainly not least, you need to find one family member to play with today. All right, guys, I'm going to give you some time now to go find your equipment. Off you go. Now that you have your equipment you need for this activity, you now need to find a space around your house to play the activity in. An area such as your backyards or your lounge room is the perfect space. All right, guys, I'm going to give you some time now to go find your space that you would like to play this activity in. Off you go. Now it's time to set up our activity. To set up your activity, what you will need to do first is, at one end of your space, you will place your laundry basket on top of your chair, as I've done so here. Create a little bit of a basketball ring or a netball ring at one end. Then, using your 9 objects you are using as markers today, you will set up 3 lines with 3 markers in each line, as you can see here. When you set up your lines, make sure your first line is roughly 1 to 2 meters away from the basket. Your other 2 lines, make them roughly 1 to 2 meters apart. You guys can choose how far apart they will be today. Really important when you set up your lines that your middle marker is directly in line with the basket, and your other 2 markers are either side about half a meter to a meter apart should do the distance. But again, you guys can decide how far apart you want to have your markers and how far apart you want to have your lines. All right, guys, I'm going to give you some time now to set up your activity. Off you go. All right, everybody, we are now ready to play some horse. To play horse, what you'll need to do first is make sure everybody that is playing has a ball. So today, I've got my ball of socks. Once everybody has their ball, one person will then pick a spot for everybody to start at. So for instance, I'm going to start here. Once decided, one player at a time will take a shot at the basket. During the game, one of 3 scenarios will occur. Scenario 1. If the first person shooting gets their ball in and the second person shooting misses their shot, the person that shot second will receive the letter H. Scenario 2. If the first person shooting misses their shot, but the second person who shoots gets their shot in, the first person who shot will get the letter H. Scenario 3. If the first person who is shooting misses their shot, but the second person who is shooting also misses their shot, neither player receives a letter. Once both players have had their shot, a new spot will be chosen by the person who went second. However, when they are picking a new spot, they are not allowed to pick the same spot they just shot from. This continues until someone receives the word horse. H-O-R-S-E. The first person to receive the word horse loses, meaning the other player is the winner. In other words, the aim of the game is to receive little to no letters. Alright guys, I think it's now time to see what horse looks like. Let's have a look. Alright Jack, ready to play some horse?
Yeah bro, let's go.
Alright, good luck. Let's do rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, Miss King's gonna go first. Let's go nice and easy, nice and close. Miss King's on the board. Oh, Jack misses. He moves on to a H and he can pick the next shot. Where we going next, Jack?
Far back.
Far back. You shoot, just shoot normal. Huh? Just shoot normal. Yeah. He shoots. Oh, nice shot. Alright. But Mr. King can stay on nothing. Oh, Mr. King's on a H. Alright, let's go this time. We'll go the middle this time, Jack. Yep. Oh, he shoots, he scores. Jack, oh, he misses.
H-O now.
Okay, Miss King's on H. You pick the next one.
We'll go right at the front.
Right at the front. Oh, just gets it in. Mr. King gets it in. Thank you, Jack. Let's go. Let's go on the right on the edge.
Yep.
Oh, off the backboard. Jack misses. What are you on now?
H.O.R.E.
Oh, Mr. King's on a H. And Jack, you can pick the next spot.
This one.
Go on there. Oh, nice pressure's on Mr. King. Still only on a H. Oh, and he stays on H.
Oh, wait.
That's my one, that's alright. And let's go. We'll go to the side again. He shoots, he scores. Oh, well done, Jack. Alright, where are we going this time?
Okay.
In the middle. Jack shoots. Oh, he misses. Pressure's on. Oh, Jack moves to... What are you on?
I've got one more left.
One letter left for Jack. Mr. King's still got 4 to stay in it. Oh, Mr. King for the win. I'll wait till Jack gets his ball so we can watch. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Mr. King keeps Jack in it. Alright, is Mr. King's shot?
No, it's
What's
mine.
yours? Alright, where are we going, Jack?
Right at the front.
Right at the front. Oh, Mr. King had a chance to win the game. Couldn't do it. Alright, Mr. King's got to think smart here. Let's go. Strategic in the middle, I think. Let's go from here, Jack.
That's at the middle.
Oh, on the middle on the side. He shoots. Scores, pressure's on. Shoots.
Oh.
And Mr. King wins. Good
Good
game,
game.
Jack. Well done. So, Jack, you got H.O.R.S.E. Mr. King finishes on a H. Mr. King wins.
Woo!
Thanks for that awesome demonstration, boys. Alright, guys. Jordan and I would now like you to play 5 rounds with your families. While you are playing, feel free to experiment with the rules. So you might shoot from further back. You might make a longer word. It is totally up to you guys, alright? Also, if you would like to challenge or extend yourself, if you have your own basketball or netball ring, we would like you to play the same activity but using your basketball or netball ring. Alright guys, good luck and have fun.